Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can set color tune on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're gonna find your notifications, your friend activity, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. If you click on it, right here you're gonna find account. You can also access your profile, upgrade to premium, start a private session. And right here, as you can see, guys, you can access your settings. So right here, you're going to find all of your settings. And if you go back, right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. There is the home section, search, and right here, you're going to find all of your playlists. You can also expand your library if you want. So right now, in order to set a color tune on Spotify, firstly, you have to choose the song that you want. So for example, I'm going to go to a playlist, for example, this one, and then I'm going to choose a song right here. For example, this one. So just hover your mouse over it. Right here, you're going to find the option to play it. And here in the right, you're going to find these three dots. If you click on it right here, you can add the song to a playlist that you already have, or you can click on new playlist to create a new playlist. From here, you can remove it from this playlist. Here, you can add it or remove it to your liked songs. Right here, you can add it to the queue. You can go to song radio. You can go to the artist, go to the album, view credits, and lastly, you can share it by copying the song link or by embedding the track. So basically, guys, if you want to set it as a color tune, just open this menu on your phone and then you're gonna find the option right here. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.